If you're seeing the X or Twitter rate limited error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it on your PC. This usually happens when X detects too many actions in a short period of time, like refreshing too much, viewing too many posts, following accounts too quickly, or when a third-party app is using your account in the background. The good news is that most of the time, this error is temporary and can be fixed with a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and easiest fix is to wait it out. If you've hit a reading limit, close the X tab completely and wait around 15 to 60 minutes before trying again. If the issue happened from actions like liking, following, or reposting, it can sometimes take anywhere from 15 minutes to 24 hours to fully reset. The important thing here is not to keep refreshing the page over and over, because that can sometimes restart the timer and make the problem last longer. So step 1 is patience. Give the system some time, then come back and test X again. Next, disconnect any third-party applications that might be using your account. These can include social media schedulers, automation tools, browser extensions, or any app that has access to your X account. To do this, log into X on your computer, then click More in the left sidebar. From there, go into Settings and Support, then open Settings. Next, click Security and Account Access, and then choose Apps and Sessions. After that, open Connected Apps and look through the list carefully. If you see any app you no longer use, don't recognize, or don't trust, revoke its access right away. This is important because background apps can consume your API requests and trigger the rate limit without you even realizing it. Once that is done, move on to the next fix. Now it's time to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes the browser holds onto old error data even after the rate limit has expired, and clearing that saved data can help X load properly again. In Chrome, Edge, Brave, or another browser, click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Open Privacy and Security and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Set the time range to all time for the cleanest reset, then click Clear Data. After that, refresh X or try opening it in a private window or a different browser to see if the error is gone. If the message is still showing, the problem may not be on your end at all. At this point, check whether X is having a service outage. A temporary outage or platform issue can sometimes cause rate limit errors for a lot of users at once. You can go to a site like Down Detector and search for Twitter or X, then look at the outage graph and recent reports. If there's a spike, that means other people are having the same issue, and the best solution may simply be to wait until the platform is stable again. So to recap, the fastest way to fix the X-rate limited error is to wait for the limit to reset, remove any connected third-party apps, clear your browser cache and cookies, and check for outages if nothing else works. In most cases, one of those steps will get your account working again. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.